As the first rays of dawn touch the dew-kissed leaves, a grand journey begins in the heart of the vineyard, where nature meets precise industrial innovation. The air is crisp and the grapes are at their peak of ripeness, waiting for the high-tech harvest to transform them into the finest liquid gold. Modern engineering arrives at the field as massive mechanical harvesters begin their rhythmic dance through the rows, ensuring every grape is gathered at the perfect moment. Precise vibrations shake the vines with a gentle touch, allowing the perfectly ripened fruit to fall away, while leaving the delicate branches and leaves completely unharmed. The harvest flows like a purple river, a steady stream of fruit captured by high-speed belts that transport the bounty toward the next stage of production. Powerful gusts of air clear away debris, removing leaves and twigs with surgical precision to ensure only the purest fruit enters the modern winemaking facility. Advanced laser sensors scan every individual berry, analyzing color and density in milliseconds to identify any fruit that does not meet our strict quality standards. With a sudden hiss of compressed air, imperfect grapes are cast aside, leaving only the most vibrant and healthy berries to continue their prestigious journey. Robotic transport systems navigate the sleek factory floors, moving the harvest with silent efficiency toward the heart of the modern glass and steel winery. This architectural masterpiece stands as a testament to the harmony between traditional agriculture and the cutting-edge technology that defines the future of premium winemaking. The raw materials arrive at the intake, cascading into steel hoppers as the factory prepares to wash and purify the fruit for the extraction process. A refreshing mist of purified water envelops the grapes, washing away the dust of the fields and preparing them for their transition into fine wine. Cleanliness is paramount in this sterile environment, where every drop of water ensures that the natural flavor of the grape remains untainted and perfectly pure. The destemmer operates with incredible speed, its mechanical arms spinning to detach the berries from their bitter stems without bruising the delicate fruit inside. By removing the woody stems, we prevent harsh tannins from entering the mix, focusing entirely on the sweet juice and the aromatic skins of the fruit. A high-frequency vibration table keeps the grapes in constant motion, shaking off every last drop of water to maintain the perfect concentration of natural sugars. Up close, the structure of the fruit is a marvel of nature, holding the potential for complex flavors that will soon be unlocked by mechanical force. The stage is set within these sterile halls, where gleaming steel tanks stand ready to receive the essence of the harvest for the fermentation process. The fruit travels through transparent conduits, a mesmerizing sight of motion as the raw materials move closer to becoming the world's most celebrated beverage. The pressing phase. These massive pneumatic cylinders use controlled pressure to extract the soul of the grape without crushing the seeds or skins. Inside the machine, a soft rubber bladder inflates slowly, applying a firm yet gentle pressure that coaxes the juice from the fruit in a controlled manner. The first trickle of juice appears, a rich and vibrant liquid that carries the character of the soil and the warmth of the summer sun. This raw extract is the foundation of greatness, a concentrated blend of sweetness and acidity that will soon undergo a remarkable transformation through fermentation. Expert technicians monitor every liter of flow, ensuring the clarity and color meet the exacting standards required for a premium vintage production line. Powerful pumps move the liquid through a labyrinth of overhead pipes, directing the fresh juice toward the cooling and settling tanks for further purification. Precision is key, as sensors track the exact pressure levels to maximize yield, while preserving the delicate nuances that make this wine truly unique. Once the essence is extracted, the remaining solids are removed, destined to be recycled as organic fertilizer for next year's crop in the vineyards. The juice undergoes primary filtration, passing through advanced mesh screens to remove any remaining sediment, leaving behind a smooth and consistent liquid base. As the juice enters the fermentation tanks, it is carefully oxygenated, creating the perfect environment for the yeast to begin its vital work of transformation. The introduction of specialized yeast strains marks the start of the biological magic, turning the simple fruit sugars into complex and sophisticated alcohol. In this cathedral of industry, dozens of massive tanks hold thousands of liters of wine, each one carefully controlled by a central computer system. Temperature is monitored to the decimal point, as even a minor fluctuation could alter the final flavor profile of the wine during the fermentation process. The liquid comes alive as carbon dioxide bubbles rise to the surface, a visual sign of the active fermentation taking place within the steel walls. Automation ensures consistency, with robotic arms taking regular samples for instant chemical analysis, tracking the progress of the wine with absolute scientific accuracy. Science and art merge here, as technicians analyze acidity, sugar levels, and tannin structures to guide the wine toward its full potential and character. The wine undergoes a vigorous evolution, a turbulent and beautiful process, where the raw ingredients are forged into a drink of incredible depth and complexity. Advanced cooling systems wrap around the tanks, keeping the heat of fermentation in check to preserve the delicate fruity aromas that define a premium bottle. Every movement is automated and precise, as computer-controlled valves manage the flow and pressure within the vast network of pipes and storage vessels. With the primary fermentation complete, the young wine is moved toward its next stage of life, where time and wood will add further layers. The industrial noise fades as we enter the silent sanctuary of the cellar, where the wine will rest and mature in handcrafted oak barrels. Electric vehicles operate in near silence, carefully arranging the barrels in perfect alignment, ensuring that every vintage has the space it needs to develop. The choice of wood is critical, with high-quality oak providing the subtle notes of vanilla, spice, and toasted wood that drinkers find so captivating. Modern technology continues even in the traditional cellar, with laser systems verifying that every barrel is perfectly sealed to prevent unwanted oxidation. A sample is drawn for inspection, revealing a liquid that has gained clarity and a deep, inviting color during its time spent in the wood. Here, in the cool darkness, the wine develops its soul, absorbing the characteristics of the oak while its own flavors soften and integrate over time. The final check of the maturation process is conducted by human experts, whose refined palates ensure the wine has reached its peak of perfection. Sustainability and hygiene go hand in hand as high-pressure steam cleanses the barrels for future use, maintaining the highest standards of production excellence. The sheer scale of the operation is breathtaking, representing years of hard work and the patience required to produce a truly world-class wine. The aging process concludes as the wine is gathered from the barrels, ready to be blended into a consistent and masterful final product. The pace quickens as we enter the bottling hall, where a high-speed assembly line prepares to package the finished wine for global distribution. Each bottle is subjected to ultrasonic cleaning, ensuring a sterile environment where the wine can remain preserved for years to come without contamination. Precision filling heads descend with perfect timing, dispensing the exact amount of wine into every bottle to maintain a uniform level of quality. The characteristic pop is created in reverse, as mechanical plungers drive the corks home, sealing the flavor and aroma inside their glass home. Protective capsules are applied and shrunk to fit, adding an extra layer of security and a touch of elegance to the bottle's final appearance. Labels are applied with millimetric precision, carrying the brand's identity and the story of the vineyard to consumers across the entire world. Traceability is guaranteed through laser etching, allowing every single bottle to be tracked back to the very day and field it originated from. Robotic arms handle the final product with care, efficiently packing the bottles into boxes for their journey to dining tables and cellars everywhere. The packaging process is a feat of modern logistics, where speed and safety ensure the wine arrives in perfect condition at its final destination. A final digital check confirms the shipment is ready, completing a journey that began with a single grape in the early morning mist. The pallets are wrapped and secured, ready to be loaded onto trucks that will carry the essence of the harvest to enthusiasts around the globe. As the sun sets on the facility, the fruits of our labor begin their trek, carrying the heritage of the land to every corner of the earth. The journey reaches its climax in a moment of celebration, as the bottle is opened to reveal the complex flavors we have worked so hard to create. Each pour is a tribute to the fusion of nature and technology, a liquid masterpiece that speaks of the soil,
Cheers, everyone.
the sun, and the soul of innovation. Cheers to the journey from the vine to the glass, an epic story of precision, passion, and the timeless art of making fine wine. From the soil to the soul, this is the story of how we transform nature's gifts into an experience that lingers long after the final sip. As the day ends, the vineyard rests, preparing for the next season of growth and the continuation of this incredible cycle of production. Every great vintage starts here, with a single seed and the potential to become something extraordinary through the power of modern industry. The harmony of the assembly line is a symphony of steel and light, where every gear and sensor plays a part in the final quality. Every detail matters, from the way the wine catches the light to the way it coats the glass, revealing its hidden strength and character. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of modern winemaking, where technology serves the ancient art of the vine. The foundation of every bottle lies in the earth, where the nutrient-rich soil provides the essential character for the grapes of the future. Precision irrigation ensures that each plant receives exactly what it needs, optimizing growth while conserving our most precious natural resources in the field. Data-driven farming monitors the environment in real time, allowing us to adapt our techniques to the changing weather for the most consistent harvest possible. Digital twins of the vineyard allow for meticulous care, where every vine is a data point in our quest for viticultural perfection and excellence. We work with nature, not against it, maintaining a delicate biological balance that protects our crops while fostering a healthy and sustainable ecosystem. Every drop is precious, the culmination of a year's growth and weeks of careful processing to ensure nothing of the fruit's essence is lost. Human skill maintains the machine's heart, with expert technicians ensuring that every part of the facility operates at its peak industrial performance levels. Centrifugal force is used to accelerate the natural settling process, producing a wine that is clear, bright, and ready for its next developmental stage. Cold stabilization prevents crystals from forming later, a critical step in ensuring the wine remains visually perfect even after years in a home cellar. An inert atmosphere of nitrogen protects the wine's aromatic profile, keeping the fresh fruit flavors locked in and shielded from the effects of oxygen. The art of the blend brings together different components to create a final wine that is greater than the sum of its individual parts. Under the microscope, we monitor the living organisms that do the heavy lifting, ensuring the health and vitality of the fermentation process at all times. The rhythmic sounds of the bottling line are the heartbeat of the factory, a steady pulse that signals the successful completion of the production cycle. Each bottle is inspected against a bright light, a final quality gate to ensure that no impurities have made it into the finished luxury product. Premium labels add a final touch of class, signifying the years of effort and the sophisticated technology used to bring this wine to life. Our warehouse holds the world's finest vintages, stored in climate-controlled conditions to ensure they reach the consumer in the exact state they left. The journey continues across the oceans as our wine heads to international markets to be shared by people from every culture and every walk of life. From the industrial floor to the height of luxury, the wine finds its place in the most prestigious settings, ready to create unforgettable memories for all. The slow movement of the wine against the glass indicates its body and alcohol content, a sign of the quality and craftsmanship within every drop. This is the essence of our craft, the perfect marriage of nature's bounty and the precision of the modern industrial world. Cheers to the journey.